Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you find that your internet connection is disconnecting frequently on your Windows 7 device. So this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu and you want to type in Control Panel. So basically you just want to open up the Control Panel here and then select the network and Internet area. And now you want to left click on Network and Sharing Center up here. You want to left click on the button on the left side here. It says Change Adapter Settings. So now you might have multiple network adapters here, but in most cases there should only be one. You want to right click on whichever one you think is yours, and more than likely there should be one, and there'll probably be a green check mark next to it. It'll be the default network connection. The only reason I say that is you might have some neighbors that might also have network connections listed in here. You want to make sure you're selecting your own network. So you want to right click on the one you currently have access to and then select Properties. Now you want to left click on this Configure button right here and now left click on the Power Management tab at the top, and if it's checkmarked where it says allow this computer to turn off this device to save power, uncheck this box, click on OK, restart your computer, and hopefully the issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.